Hello everyone, my name is Anjali and we are learning about Google Slides. In our last video, we were learning about this insert option and we learned how to insert this image and the video in our slide. Now in this section, we will try to cover remaining all other things. So let's start our video. And if you haven't watched our previous video, then please go and watch it. So we have inserted image and video in our slide, but now I want to insert sound, music or some song to my slide, and this is my cover book. Okay, we can change the background if we want, as we discussed. So but first we want to add sound here. Then how we are going to add sound? Just click on this insert option and here you can see audio option, right? You just need to click on that option, and again, as options came with image or video, same thing will happen here. It will give you this search option, my drive, shared with me, and recent. So basically you can insert audio but only from your Google Drive. So it's necessary that in your drive there should be some song. So let's see if we can add any song. Okay, because currently I don't have any song in my drive. So we will discuss this later, but you can add audio from this box. Okay, then again here are some things like text box. So how this text box help? So just first click on the slide where you want to insert this text box. Let's assume remove this one, and now I want to write something here or here, or let's take a blank page. Okay, just delete this, select backspace, and now just select a blank page. This one is a blank page, and now I want to write thank you in this page, but here is no any option and I am clicking, but you can't see my cursor which can help us to write. So in this scenario we will go on this insert option, we'll select this text box, and as you can see, as soon as when I selected that text box option, here is the plus sign, and when I make it big, okay, here is a box, and in that box you can write whatever you want. So insert and then this text box option, and yeah, you can write the thing whatever you want to write. Let's write thank you, and now you can format it as per your need. You can increase the boldness, you can change the color. Then these signs help you to fit this. Do not auto fit is selected, so it won't fit auto fit. Resize text on overflow, resize shape to fit text, and that's how this option helps you. So you can insert this text box from this menu also, or this insert option with this insert option also. Okay, now another thing you can see here is a word art. Now this is the very interesting thing to use. uh, let's write thank you in this word art option, TJNKYOU, thank you, and now just press enter key, and as you can see, the your thank you is in completely different form, right? It's because of this word art option. In this word art you get this type of customized word. Now you can this is according to our theme. You can change the color from this box, whatever color you want. See, if I want it in a purple color, then purple color. If you want to make its border line, you can give border color also. Then if in this box you want to add any color, you can fill it from here. So yeah, that's how this word art option helps you to create. See, the whole thing is looking very pretty, right? So that's how you can use this word art option. And if you just want to insert some text on a blank page, then this text box option is for you. Now let's assume I want to add line in my this word. Then here is the line option, and you get so many types of line. You get arrow, line, elbow connector, connector, curve, polyline. Let's select the polyline and draw it over here. So let's backspace. Let's undo it first. Okay, again deleting it is difficult. Thank you. Huh. Just first go to the insert thing, go to the text box, and that line was not saved. So that's how you can insert any line whatever you want. Now if you want to insert any diagram, then just click on this diagram option, and here you will get so many diagrams. So now thank you will be our last slide, right? So just click on the second slide and click on plus, and here let's add this one. So as you can see, I wanted to add this new slide at this third position, so I click new slide after selecting the second slide, so it came automatically at third position, so we don't need to rearrange it. Now I want to insert some diagrams to give analytic and something. So just go on the insert box, click on this diagram option, and in the right side you can see here are so many options it shows you. If you want diagram in a cyclic pattern, if you want to show relationships, if you want to show timeline, if you want to show hierarchy, or if you just simply want grid. Again, here you can select levels of your grid, 4, 5 boxes, and whatever color you want, it will change into that color also. So let's select this greenish color, and here you can see these boxes are coming. Okay, now I don't want to select this grid option. Not, let's see what is in this hierarchy. This is helpful to create some family tree plan show and anything. Then processes, or you can see the cycle. Here is different cycle. So if you want to create some science project, then you can use this cycle. Just click on it, and then you can move it as you move your diagram. But remember, you have to move every part separately. Yes, this is, since it's a diagram, you have to move it separately. As you can see, I am moving it. Just click that and move it. That's how you move it. Okay, and again rearrange it according to your need. This one remained, so yeah. And you can also write in these columns also whatever you want to write. You can change color by just clicking on this fill color option. See, the whole color pattern is changed now. So if you want to show different colors in your diagram, then you can use this one. So that's how you can use in these diagrams to make your presentation more effective and more attractive. Then in this insert option, we have covered line, word art, diagram. This chart, you can insert columns, bar. It helps you to represent any data presentation. Then tables. Yeah, if I am writing about something and I want to add tables, then this table option will help you Let's assume I want to insert this table and write something in this. So just delete this. Just change the page layout first, okay? Click here, only title, and I also don't want these diagrams. So let's remove first, arrange this box here. Let's remove these diagrams. I'm removing it because I don't need that diagram right now, but I need a table, so I have inserted the table. Okay, now you can manage these lines. As you can see, you just need to click on that proper line and move it with your mouse wherever you want it. You can decrease the size of that box, you can increase it, even you can fill the different colors if you want in it. Let's assume in this top box I want to fill different color. Then again I'll go to this fill option, and here let's select this thing, this color, and as you can see the color is entered in that box. If you want to write something, you just need to simply click. Let's write state traditional wear. Okay, so I don't need this box right now, so just click on the, just select just select this box and backspace, and yeah, it's gone. Now let's write some states name. Maharashtra, then insert. So if you insert here, then it will come automatically at the down, but if you want to go into that second row, in second box, then you have to type it by yourself. Punjab, not traditional here, we can write folk dance. Okay. Hmm. Maharashtra. Now as you can see, here is red line appeared. It is because I think I have made some spelling mistake. So let's correct this spelling mistakes. Maharashtra. Yeah, it was spelling mistake. That's why it was looking like that. Okay. Then Maharashtra's folk dance is Lavani. Punjab's folk dance is Bhangra. So there are so many states in India, and in this only three column it can't come, and I want to insert more option, more rows, more column. Then what you have to do, just click right on your mouse, and you can get insert row above, insert row below option. As when you click on it, you can see that row appeared automatically. Same in the same way, you can add columns, you can delete this row, delete this column. Okay, delete column. If you want to delete table, then delete table, distribute rows, distribute column, and here again you get format option, again size, rotation, position, and text fitting, as we discussed in our formatting video. If you haven't watched that video yet, go and watch it. And you can also add it to the theme. Okay, so that's how this box option helps you to write or do the thing according you want. Now I want to make this box more attractive. Then how I'm gonna make it attractive? So first thing, the thing we can do is just click on the box anywhere, and you can see this downside arrow. Just click on it and it gives you the boundary option. If I select this one, you can see, just first I need to select the box. I have selected. Now in that boundary option, let's first select the color of the boundary. Okay. Mhm. Color of the boundary, make it red. Huh. Now click on this option, and when I click on the different thing, you can see it's changing the size, type of my line. It's making here dark, So that's how you can use this option to arrange and make your table attractive. Yeah, that's what the insert option. And the last option was shape. How can you add shape? Just click to the whatever shape you want to add. Let's assume in this thank you slide I want to add circle or square. So here is a shape, different types of shape as you can see here. If you want to add arrow, call outs, then equations, if you are creating some presentation for mathematical thing. Let's see, I want to add this smiley and I want to draw it here. Okay, so here is my smiley, and now I can adjust it wherever I want it. Hmm. Now I want to change the color of this shape. Again the same thing. So as you can see, whole procedure is similar, right? You just need to and the boundary color option, let's select it, make it black. Yeah, that's how these all insert options help you to insert various things with about audio. Then for that I explained you that I don't have audio in my drive, so if I can get that thing I will discuss it with you in our next session. Until then, see you. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates, and we are going to learn some more interesting things in our upcoming videos. Bye bye.